Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make lamb ragu with pangrattato. Okay, first up, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and then get on and finely chop your onions. Then grate your fresh garlic. Peel 2 carrots and then top and tail them. With 1 carrot, we're going to finely dice it, and with the other, we're going to chop it into large chunks. Then wash your celery sticks and then chop them into a medium-sized chunk. It actually really doesn't matter, and I also include the leaves. On your stovetop, heat a tablespoon of oil, and now we're going to brown off the lamb leg. Once it's browned on one side, turn it over and brown it on the other. Remove the lamb leg from the casserole dish and then dump in your onions and garlic. Once the onion and garlic have softened, then throw in the carrots and celery. Once they've softened, throw in your tinned tomatoes. Crush up the beef stock cubes and then add them one at a time, along with the water and the red wine. Give it a good stir and then add the rosemary and the bay leaves. Finally, add the sugar and the tomato paste and then add in the leg of lamb. Place the casserole dish in the oven for a total of 5 hours, 3 hours with the lid on and 2 hours with the lid off. Now let's make the pangrattato, a garlicky toasted breadcrumb that elevates this dish to the next level. Remove the crust from the stale white bread and blend them in a food processor. Then add the garlic and parsley and blitz it again. On the stovetop, heat the oil in a sauté pan, and then once it's hot, add the butter. When the butter has melted and become a bit frothy, add the garlicky breadcrumb mixture. Stir it until all the bread is coated in the oily butter. Leave it to toast on the bottom and then give it another stir. Then leave it to toast and give it another stir. Once it's done, remove it immediately to a plate or bowl, add the parmesan and set it aside to cool. After 5 hours, remove the lamb from the oven and shred the meat finely using 2 forks. Remove and discard the bones. I divide my ragu up into plastic containers and refrigerate or freeze it. A totally delicious tomatoey lamb ragu. I really hope you give this one a go, and I really hope you enjoy.